In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use branches and workflows in HubSpot. We'll start on your HubSpot home screen, then head to Automation and open Workflows. Workflows are automated sequences that run behind the scenes to handle repetitive tasks based on enrollment triggers and timed actions. They can send emails, update properties, create tasks, and more, freeing you up while ensuring contacts get the right follow-up at the right moment. Open an existing workflow and click Edit to work inside it. If you prefer, you can create a new one for a clean setup, but I'll demonstrate using an existing example so you can see where branches fit in a live flow. Inside the editor, click the plus icon exactly where you want to introduce a decision point. Choose Branch. A branch creates a rule-based fork in your workflow, a decision tree that routes each contact down the path that matches your criteria. This is how you tailor experiences. Different messaging, different timing, or different actions for different segments, all within the same workflow. You'll see options for AND or logic. Use AND when all selected conditions must be true at the same time. Great for precise targeting, like job title plus lifecycle stage. Use OR when any one of the conditions can qualify, handy for grouping similar roles or behaviors without overcomplicating the filter. Name the first branch. Send manager email so it's easy to recognize later. Add criteria, select contact properties, search for job title, and pick it. Set the operator to is equal to any of, then enter manager and owner. This tells HubSpot to route contacts with those job titles into this branch. Tip: match how job titles are stored in your CRM, including common variations, so qualified contacts don't get missed. Next, add another branch and name it Send Welcome Email. Add criteria again, choose contact properties, find job title, and this time use is not equal to any of, with manager and owner as the values. This branch will catch everyone whose job title isn't one of those listed, so you can send a more general introduction. Keep in mind how your data is maintained. Clear naming and consistent formatting make your branches more reliable. Finally, create a third branch named Save Contact and click Save. This is your catch-all or light touch path, useful when you want to log the contact or hold them for future steps without sending a specific message. That's it. You've added branching that personalizes your automation with clean labels, clear logic, and scalable structure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more.